Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to add line numbers in Microsoft Word using the free Microsoft 365 online version. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft's Free Office online page. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you don't already have it. Once you're signed in, open Word from the list of apps and either start a new document or open one saved in OneDrive. At the top, click on the Layout tab. Here you'll find the line numbers option. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu with different choices. You can add line numbers to every line, restart them on each page, or customize the settings based on your needs. Once you choose your preferred option, click OK to apply. And that's it. You've successfully added line numbers to your Word document. This makes editing, referencing, and collaborating much easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.